With over 129 million downloads, it's safe to say that Fortnite is one of the most popular free-to-play games out there. Plus, it's hard to put down. The average Fortnite player spends 6 to 10 hours on the game every week. What if we tell you there's a way to make money out of this entertaining hobby? We agree. It sounds too good to be true. While the revenue won't be in thousands, you can definitely make some extra cash while spending the same amount of time on the app. So how do you get started? Watch to learn all about Fortnite's money-making opportunities. 5 ways to make money playing Fortnite. When it comes to making money through Fortnite, some options are more sustainable than others. Whether you want some extra cash occasionally or create a steady income, we've got you covered. Let's break down a few ways to make money with Fortnite. Enter Fortnite tournaments. Fortnite tournaments aren't just about competitive gaming, they can also make you real money. These organized games bring players from all around the world. You may also find small, local Fortnite events in your city or town. On the other hand, there are opportunities for large-scale international competitions, which offer millions of dollars in cash prizes. For example, consider the FNCS 2023 Global Championship. Held from October 13th to 15th in Copenhagen, this competition had a multi-million-dollar prize pool. If that sounds like something you want to win, it's time to get practicing. Admittedly, these events have an entry fee, but they're minimal compared to the potential prize. The FNCS 2023 Global Championship had a $40 entry pass. For those who find these tournaments too good to be true, we get it. Let's give you an example of 16-year-old Kyle Buga Giersdorf, who won the Fortnite World Cup in 2019. He took home a whopping $3 million prize. If you're interested in any of these tournaments, the best time to register is now. You'll need to make requirements like 2-factor authentication on your Epic Games account, level 15 minimum bronze ranking in Battle Royale ranked mode. Stream your Fortnite matches. But we also get that not everyone wants to play competitively. Collectively, viewers have watched 300 million hours of Fortnite on live streaming platforms. Yes, you heard that right. Currently, there are 5,000 Fortnite live streamers on average. Still, becoming successful on platforms like Twitch and YouTube is relatively easy. Here's how to set up your Twitch Fortnite stream in a few simple steps. Number 1. Create a Twitch account with your email and screen name. Number 2. Open the dashboard to access stream information. Number 3. Under Settings, click on Channel to find your stream key. Number 4. In another tab, open OBS and download the software. Number 5. Set up a basic stream with the help of the auto configuration wizard. Number 6. This will show you how your stream will look to the public. Number 7. Add your video and audio sources and invest in high-quality equipment. Number 8. Once you're ready to stream publicly, stay on OBS and click on Stream. Number 9. Select Twitch from the list of streaming platforms and start your stream. Number 10. Finally, you can boot up Fortnite and start playing. Once you meet the monetization requirements of Twitch, you can start earning from your regular streams. Luckily, the conditions are surprisingly lenient. At least 500 minutes streamed, at least 50 followers, at least 3 concurrent views on average, 7 unique stream days. Consider Fortnite investments. Despite its free-to-play nature, Fortnite brings in a steady yearly revenue of $5 billion on average. That means there are tons of low-risk investment opportunities for you to consider. Epic Games, the company that owns Fortnite, is private. That means you can't directly invest in the game. But you can invest in gaming companies with shares in Epic Games. For example, consider Tencent. With a 40% share in Epic Games, Tencent is the closest you can get to investing in Fortnite. The company also has stakes in Activision Blizzard, Electronic Arts, and other top developers. Place bets on esports sites. Here's another type of investment you can make in Fortnite: esports bets. Maybe you don't like the large-scale nature of offline tournaments. In that case, bets can be a simple way to make money and stay competitive. It's perfect for players who know the game well but don't want to spend any more hours gaming. From ThunderPick to GGBet, there are many esports platforms that let you bet on Fortnite games. You can even pick your currency type and pay in crypto. Of course, this isn't a stable source of income. Some bets will win and some won't. If you're good at gauging the result of a game, it will technically be like getting paid to watch Fortnite streams. Make a Fortnite YouTube channel. This one is definitely a labor of love, but the payouts can be enormous. If you're genuinely passionate about earning through Fortnite, consider making a YouTube channel. You can use it to stream your games or offer tips and advice as an expert player. The first step, of course, is to set up your channel. The platform will take you through the process, so it's simple. The hard part is meeting the monetization requirements to earn ad revenue. At least 1,000 subscribers, at least 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months, or at least 10 million YouTube Shorts views in 90 days. Of course, you'll also need to stick to the Google AdSense program policies, community guidelines, and terms of service. Fortnite is an incredible game, but it's more than just a fun way to spend your time. With the right efforts and a few tricks, you can turn it into a steady stream of income. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.